Introducing the LIBWYS Kitchen Glass Jars Set with Bamboo Lids. This set of 6 airtight glass canisters is perfect for storing all your dry goods in style. One of the key features of these jars is their ability to end the hidden game of food storage. With a clear glass construction, you can easily see the contents inside, so you'll always know when it's time to restock. Say goodbye to half-empty boxes and bags in your pantry. Not only are these jars functional, but they also add a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. The beautiful bamboo lids provide a stylish accent, and their natural charm complements the glass perfectly. Your kitchen will instantly feel more sophisticated with these jars on display. The airtight seal is another standout feature of these storage containers. The rubber ring around the lid helps prevent oxygen and moisture from getting in, ensuring that your food stays fresh and delicious for longer periods. No more worrying about stale pasta or spoiled snacks. What sets these glass jars apart from others on the market is their commitment to being plastic-free. By using these containers, you're actively contributing to reducing plastic waste in the kitchen. It's time to say goodbye to those old plastic storage containers and embrace a more sustainable way of storing your food. The set includes 6 jars, each with an impressive capacity of 202 ounces, 6,000 milliliters. You'll have plenty of space to store all your essentials, from pasta and coffee beans to cereals and legumes. The containers are made of heat-resistant borosilicate glass, ensuring their durability and allowing them to be dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Make sure to check compatibility before making your purchase. In summary, the LIBWYS Kitchen Glass Jar Set with Bamboo Lids is the perfect solution for your food storage needs. With their clear glass construction, airtight seal, and elegant bamboo lids, these jars not only keep your food fresh but also elevate the style of your kitchen. Take the step towards a more sustainable and organized pantry by adding these beautiful jars to your collection. Product information: ASINB 0BQRBXN3F. Customer reviews 4.5. Best sellers ranked number 16,578 in kitchen and dining.